Pretty much the same weird noises that I heard about a year ago. Over the skies of Detroit. Only tonight, you can see lights where the sound is coming from. Just keep looking dead right above the buildings in the sky. You see some weird lights going like in a circular motion. You hear the noise? The sound has been going on for about 20 minutes now. April 1st, 2015, approximately 10 p.m. And it's now 10:27. I don't know, those can just be searchlights for something else, but that noise is pretty similar to the same noises I recorded a video about a year ago. It's pretty weird. But Detroit City, strange noises in the sky. Pretty weird. Alright. Carry on. I had to come back. It seemed like the sounds just got louder, dude. It's ridiculous.
It's April 15th, 2015, and there's this really loud noise. Sounds like jets flying overhead, but there's no planes. It's been going on for several minutes. I actually see one plane, but even so, the planes don't make this loud of a noise.
Starbright. Train? Is it a train bound? Bitir. Artıyor sesler.
Çok geliyor.
Artıyor.
Evet. Durdu.
Gelecek şimdi.
Bu nasıl bir ses?
Harika bir ses.
Neyin kafasındasın ama ya?
Ne ağlaması be? Gözümden yaşlar geldi. Bir gitme. sesi tanımasam anlamazdım. Yerimden kalkmazdım.
Ben de. Bu sesin anlamı neydi?
Tekrar bakarız. Şöyle tut bir de.
Yeter artık, tamam.
Ben's son Terry agrees to show the investigators what happened the night he saw the UFO lights.
Is this about where you were at when this event happened?
Yes, this is the area where it happened.
What was it down there that caused you to shoot?
The lights, because it was like right there at the baseline of the trees. At first I thought maybe it could be hunters back there messing around in the woods with a bunch of bright lights, but I got no response when I yelled out, "Who's out there?" That's when I aimed and started shooting.
Terry, show me exactly what happened that night.
Sure. I was standing about right here. I cocked it, loaded it, and then I aimed it. The first one I shot was kind of like up here. Yelled one more time, "Who's out there?" And then I just started shooting at the lights. My heart was racing, adrenaline was pumping. I was pretty scared.
Terry, what was your need to fire down there?
I was scared. My reaction was just to grab it and I shot, and that's about it.
Terry fired 5 shells at the UFO, and his father Ben claims at least one of them hit the target.
It was making a noise that sounded like a broken washing machine, and then the noise stopped. And when it stopped, right after it stopped, I thought I heard a thump.
Okay, so first it sounded like it was coming from over there. Now it sounds like it's coming from over there.
It was making a noise that sounded like a broken washing machine, and then the noise stopped.
It's so weird.
Thank you.